back to your first day of school assembly.
Hi, and welcome back to school. Meet some of your ASB. I'm Amanda, your ASB president.
Hey, I'm Ryan McCarthy, and I'm your ASB vice president.
I'm Chance, your activities coordinator.
I'm Prisa, and I'm your ASB secretary this year.
I'm Isaac, and I'm your ASB treasurer this year.
Hi, I'm Kenna Darren, and I'm your ASB publicity coordinator.
And now, let's go over to Thor. He's got a message for us.
Alright guys, make sure you check your school emails because it's confusing times right now, so be sure to stay up to date. And remember to stay positive because we're all going through this together.
And be kind to one another. Love each other through these tough times. Right, Thor?
Sure.
Man, I don't even want to do schoolwork. I'm gonna just play sports.
Hey. If you stay ahead, you're not behind.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna join no clubs or anything. It's not worth it. There's no point in doing all that.
Try something new at the View. You might find something you like.
Hey, athletes, with this new sports schedule, you know what it gives you? The opportunity to try something new. So, if you were planning on playing a fall sport this year and that got moved, well, now you have an opportunity to try cross country, golf, all sorts of things going on in season 1. So, yeah, come out and have fun.
Cross country.
Join swim.
Join!
Tennis.
Gone forever. Join slow pitch softball.
Join golf. Wear your mask.
Looking to get more involved in school?
And strengthen our Thunder family?
Here's some of the clubs you can join in Mountain View.
Join Stronger Together, a club where we make positive notes and put them around the school.
Join Key Club. It's an international student body-led volunteer club.
Like business? Join DECA.
Join debate and express yourself.
What up? You like math? Me too. Try Math Club.
Do you want to learn how to save the world? Join an environmental club.
Join Women's Empowerment!
FBLA, Future Business Leaders of America.
Check your emails.
You guys like making memories? Well, join Yearbook.
Like volunteering? Join Red Cross.
Join Girls in STEM.
Do you like science? Join Science Olympiad.
Do you like Jeopardy? Join Science Bowl.
You guys interested in going into the medical field? Try HOSA.
At Mountain View, we celebrate diversity, so join one of our cultural clubs. Asian Student Union,
Students of Color,
NICHA,
LULAC.
and Pacific Islander Club.
Join NHS.
Hey, you should give robotics a try. It's fun.
Play violin or viola?
Or the guitar.
Join Fiddle Club.
Stay positive.
Join Super Smash Bros. Club.
Join Unified.
Join our Gender Sexuality Alliance Club.
Join Team Up, where we raise money for St. Jude's Children's Hospital. 5 steps to start a club. 1, go to the ASB window.
2, pick up a packet.
3, go find an advisor.
4, fill out and submit the packet.
5. Become an active club.
Come prepared to school.
And charge your Chromebooks every day.
Follow our social media at ViewCrew360.
Have a great day and go Thunder!